So still some students are yet to join. I don't know, they may forgot about this today's class. Students, continuation of our topic, areas of plane figures. Areas of plane figures, that too we are discussing about area of triangle, area of trapezium, area of rectangle, area of parallelogram, rhombus and square and circle. Only these figures, these plane figures we have, and simple. So all of you open your textbook, students. 219 page number. 219 page number, exercise 9.3, the chapter areas of plane figures. So we completed fifth first bit. Now fifth second bit we are solving. Fifth second bit. All the students please draw the diagram, a typical diagram. Draw the diagram from the textbook. See students, this is a diagram. I am writing the dimensions 50, 40, 30, 20, 40, this is 70, this is 60, this is 80, this is 80, this is 40, 40, 20, 80, 80, 40, 60, 40, 70, 30. That's all. Students, this is the diagram and these are the dimensions in meters. So we have to find the area of this figure, and even I will write the symbols also. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. This is the diagram. All of you see the diagram. Simple. Already yesterday we solved this problem. The previous class we solved this problem. This type of problem. And only two cases. The total figure consists of small figures. So to find the area of this total figure, for total figure we don't have any formula because it is not a known figure. It is not a rectangle, nor a rhombus, nor a trapezium, nor a square, and not a circle. So not even a triangle. So this total shape, if you look at, we can't apply any formula because it is not in a particular shape. But if you see the small diagrams, small parts of this, so these are the known figures. Because this is small figure, this is a triangle. We can find its area. Area of triangle is half base into height. So we know the base, we know the height, we can find the area of this triangle. So this is also a triangle. We can find its area because area of triangle is half base into height. This area also we can find. This is also a triangle. We can find this area also. Area of triangle is half base into height. This area we can find. Next, after that this area we can find because these two sides are parallel. It is bounded by four sides in which two sides are parallel. It is a trapezium. Area of trapezium also we have the formula. Next, let us find this area, the fifth diagram. It is also a trapezium because 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. One set of sides are parallel. It is a trapezium. We have the formula for area of trapezium. And this is the sixth diagram. This is also a trapezium because 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 2 sides are parallel. So this is a trapezium. Find the areas of these 6 parts. Find the area of all the 6 parts. If we add all the areas, we will get the area of total shape. Area of the total figure is area of the 6 parts. Triangle plus triangle plus triangle plus trapezium plus trapezium plus trapezium. Let us start. First I am finding the area of this triangle. So write down. From adjacent figure, area of triangle, I am taking this triangle. What is the name of this triangle? EFH. This triangle. EFH triangle. This is the triangle EFH. Area of triangle formula half base into height. EFH triangle. EFH triangle. Half base into height. EFH triangle. Half base into height. Half base into height. In this triangle, what is the base and what is the height? In any triangle, in a right angle triangle, if it is a 90, this is a right angle triangle. In this, so this incline, it is different, but two horizontal and vertical, in that you can take any side as a base, other will become height. Suppose if I take this as a base, this will become height, or this as a base, this will become height. In these two perpendicular sides, you can take one side as a base, other side as the height. So any one you can take base. So suppose if this is the base 20, this will become the height. Suppose if I take this as the base, this will become the height. So therefore, forget about the remaining diagram. Concentrate only on this triangle. Look at only the triangle. What is the area of the triangle? Look at the triangle. What is the area of the triangle? See here. This first diagram, area of triangle is half base 20, height 40 into base into height. Bracket means multiplication only. Don't get confused about this. Into half base into half into base into height. Half base 20, height 40. Half into 20 into 40. Half into 20 into 40. Half into 20 into 40. 10 times 10 into 40 is 400 meters square. Or square meters. Meter square or square meters. Both are same. So I got the area of this triangle. Now second. Go for the area of this triangle. Area of this triangle. Area of triangle. Instead of writing the word triangle, I am using this symbol. This is the symbol for triangle. Triangle. You can write in full. So I am using this symbol. This is the, instead of writing triangle, I use this symbol. So which triangle after this? What is other triangle? This first let us complete areas of all the triangles first. I am not coming in the same order. First, let me complete the areas of three triangles. So, what is the second triangle? A, J, G or A, G, J. A, G, J. A, G, J triangle. Half base into height. See what is the area of, what is the base and what is the height. For this A, G, J triangle, automatically all are perpendicular line. These two are always perpendicular because as per the diagram these two are perpendicular. So in that case, if one side is taken as base, other side automatically becomes the height, and the dimensions are given. So you need not wind it. Everything is given in the diagram, or each and every information is given. So if this is the base, if 40 is the base, 70 will become the height. If 70 is the height, 40 will become the height. Anyone you take base and then other will become height. So what is the base? 40 into height is 70. Half into 40 into 70. 220 times. 220 is a 40. 2 2s are 20. 20 into 70 is 1400. 1400. 1400 meters square. This is this area we got. This area we got. This area we got. And go for this area. Area of triangle. What is the name of this triangle? This area. ABK. ABK area. ABK. This area. Half. In this, one is base and other is height. So this dimension, this is the base 30, but this dimension, let us see, 50. It is given as 50. So in this one side you take base, other will become height. If 30 is the base, 50 will be the height, or 50 is the base, 30 will be the height. Half into base 50, height 30. Half into 50 into 30. Half into 50 into 30. So 215 times, so 750 meters square. We got this area also. Now write down. Area of triangle is half base into height, half base into height, half base into height. See, the base and height both are given. So base is 40, height is 70. In this small triangle, base is 50, height is 30. So similarly, base is 20, height is 40. So half base into height area of triangle formula, I got the areas of three figures. So that is 400, 400 is 1, and this is 1400, and this is 750. Write down up to here. Now I am finding this this trapezium area, this trapezium area, this trapezium area. Write down up to here. And if you are not following, just put in the comment box that not understood. If you are understanding, write down followed or understood. Write down that. Copy it neatly and then see the trapezium area, see the formula for area of trapezium. area of trapezium. Let us start from here. What is the name of this trapezium? BCIK. BCIK. 4 vertices. One vertex is B, one vertex is C, one vertex is I, one vertex is K. BCIK. BCIK is equal to half A plus B into H. This is the formula for area of trapezium. Half A plus B into H. Half A plus B into H. Area of trapezium. Now look at this. Half. Forget about the total diagram. Concentrate only on this fourth point. That is trapezium BCIK. BCIK only. You see the boundaries. Only BCIK. So half of A plus B means sum of the parallel sides. In this 1, 2, 3, 4. Which sides are parallel? These two are parallel. In these two, one is A, one is B. So A30, B40 or A40, B30. A plus B means sum of the parallel sides. So 30 plus 40 into height. Height is distance between the parallel sides. What is this distance? From K to I. What is this distance? 60. This distance is 60. Half 30 plus 40 into 60. 30 plus 40 is 70. 30 plus 40 is 70. 230 times 30. 230 is 60. So 2100 meters square we got this area as 2100. This area also we got. Next one. Area of trapezium. What is other trapezium? This trapezium. What is the name? CDEI. 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 Half A plus B. Half A plus B into H. What is this distance between the parallel sides? Distance between the parallel sides how much? 80. Distance between the parallel sides is 80. So 40 plus 50 is 90 into 240 times. 240 is 80. No, 3600 meters square this area. 3600. Next, last one. What is the other diagram? Area of trapezium. This one. J, H, F, G. J, G, F, H. Anyway you can write. From any point you start. F, G, J, H. See the diagram. F, G, J, F, G, J, H. Same formula, half A plus B into H, half into. For this trapezium, that is the sixth figure in the order. So this trapezium you just concentrate. A is 40, B is 20. A is 40, B is 20. 40 plus 20 into H is 80. H is 80. Height is 80. Half 40 plus 20 into 80. Half 40 plus 20 into 80. This total is 80. Distance between the parallel sides is 80. So 40 plus 20, 60 to 40 is 2400. You see the simplification. Write down this. All the three trapezium areas. Half 30 plus 40 into 60, 2100. Half 40 plus 50 into 80, 3600. Half 40 plus 20 into 80. So that is 2400. Write down up to here. Fast. Right. Following or not? Write down up to here. Then the area of given diagram is equal to area of triangle EFH plus triangle ABK, AGJ, ABK plus trapezium BCIK plus trapezium CDEI plus trapezium FGJH. Area of triangle plus triangle plus triangle plus trapezium plus trapezium plus trapezium. What is the area of this triangle? 400. This triangle 1400. This triangle 750. This trapezium 2100. This trapezium 3600. This trapezium 2400. Add all these areas, so you will get the total area. Do it. Do the simplification and get the answer. Students, see the simplification. You add all those areas and how much you are getting? (10,650 meters square arms). Followed or not? Copy it and in the textbook write down that sixth question. example, sixth question from your textbook. See here, sixth question, the problem is about the trapezium. See here, this is a trapezium. The lengths of the parallel sides of a trapezium are 5:3. So what are the lengths of the parallel sides in symbols? Generally we use A and B for the lengths of the parallel sides. So given ratio of lengths of parallel sides of a trapezium. That means A is to B. This side is to this side. Ratio of lengths of the parallel sides is 5:3. A ratio, A and B are the sides. So A is to B is given as 5:3. Given ratio of lengths of the parallel sides of a trapezium are 5:3. See here. So then, if ratio is given, to get the actual values, we multiply the ratio with some number. So A means some 5x, B is 3x. Whenever a ratio is given, to get the actual values, so that ratio into some number. Next to this B 3, that ratio into same number. That means, so A will be, A is say 5x, B is 3x. Like this we can take, we have to take. So 5:3 means A is equal to 5. Directly we should not take A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3. A is equal to 5 something, B is equal to 3 into same, that is 3x. So A is 5x, B is 3x, like this we can take. So height is given. See the textbook. Height h is equal to how much? Height is given as 16 centimeters. 16 centimeters. So area is given. Area is how much in the problem? It is given 960. Area is given as 960. See, ratio of sides A is to B is given as 5:3. Then we have to, whenever ratio is given, we have to take the actual values as multiply both the ratios with the same variable. So 5x, 3x. Height is given as 16 centimeter given in the textbook. Area is also given in the textbook, that is 960. Which figure? It is a trapezium. What is the formula for area? Half A plus B into H is equal to 960. Half into A is 5x plus B is 3x into H is 16. 2 4s are 2 8s are. This 5 plus 3, 8x. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 8s are 16. So x is equal to 960 by 8 into 8 denominator. So how much? See here. Area of trapezium formula half A plus B into H, but it is given as 960. Half A is 5x, B is 3x, H is 16. 2 8s are. So 5 plus 3, 5x plus 3x is 8x into 8. So to find x value, we have to take 8 to the right side denominator. This 8 is also in the denominator. Cancel with the 8 table. I think 15. So just to see the simplification. Hmm. 15. So question is, find the lengths of the parallel sides. What is the length? A is equal to lengths of parallel sides are, see here, what is our length of one side? 5x. But now we got x value, x is 15. 15. So 15 into 5 is 75. What is the other side? 3x. 3 into x is 15. 3 into 15, 45. So what are the units? This 960 is in centimeters. So these are also in centimeter. Centimeter, centimeter. Answer. So ratio of sides is 5:3. A is equal to 5x, B is equal to 3x. Height is given as 16. Area also given in the problem 960. But area formula of A plus B into H is equal to 960. A 5x, B 3x, H is 16. 5 plus 3, 8x into 2 8s are. 8 will be the denominator. Cancel 960 by 8 into 8. You will get 15. So 5x means 5 into 15. 75. This is 3x means 3 into 15, 45. So length and breadth are 75 and 45. So this is the sixth problem and two more problems are left. Students, these are little difficult problems. I am not going very fast. So let us comfortably solve one or two problems. If it is a big problem, let us solve only one or two daily. So only two problems left. Tomorrow we are going to complete. So up to here you just practice. And today, fifth second bit was difficult. You practice it. That is important problem. And this is also important problem. You practice it. And tomorrow at the same time we will resume the class.